Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Everyday English Excellence. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more educational content. Today, you will listen to a story. I will then ask many questions about it, and you must answer every single one. So, let's get started.
Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Maya who lived in a small village nestled in the mountains. Despite facing many challenges, Maya always remained optimistic and dreamed of making a difference in the world. She spent her days helping her family tend to their farm and taking care of her younger siblings. Maya's love for learning led her to spend every spare moment reading books borrowed from the village library. One day, Maya stumbled upon a book about famous inventors and their inventions. Inspired by their stories, Maya realized her own passion for innovation and problem-solving. Determined to pursue her dreams, Maya began experimenting with simple machines and gadgets. With perseverance and dedication, Maya invented a solar-powered water pump that helped her village access clean water. Her invention not only improved the lives of her fellow villagers but also caught the attention of scientists and innovators around the world. Maya's journey from a small village to the global stage taught her the power of determination and the importance of never giving up on her dreams. She became a source of inspiration for aspiring inventors and proved that anyone, regardless of their background, can make a positive impact on the world.
Okay, that is the end of the story. Let's go back to the beginning, this time with questions. Repeat the story after me and answer the questions I ask. Let's get started.
Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Maya who lived in a small village nestled in the mountains. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Maya who lived in a small village nestled in the mountains.
What's the name of the young girl in the story? What's the name of the young girl in the story? Is her name Sarah? Is her name Sarah? No, her name is Maya. No, her name is Maya.
Despite facing many challenges, Maya always remained optimistic and dreamed of making a difference in the world. Despite facing many challenges, Maya always remained optimistic and dreamed of making a difference in the world.
What does Maya dream of doing? What does Maya dream of doing? Does she dream of becoming a princess? Does she dream of becoming a princess? No, she dreams of making a difference in the world. No, she dreams of making a difference in the world.
She spent her days helping her family tend to their farm and taking care of her younger siblings. She spent her days helping her family tend to their farm and taking care of her younger siblings.
What does Maya do during her days? What does Maya do during her days? Does she spend her days watching TV? Does she spend her days watching TV? No, she spends her days helping her family and taking care of her siblings. No, she spends her days helping her family and taking care of her siblings.
Maya's love for learning led her to spend every spare moment reading books borrowed from the village library. Maya's love for learning led her to spend every spare moment reading books borrowed from the village library.
What does Maya love to do? What does Maya love to do? Does she love to play video games? Does she love to play video games? No, she loves to learn and read books. No, she loves to learn and read books.
One day, Maya stumbled upon a book about famous inventors and their inventions. One day, Maya stumbled upon a book about famous inventors and their inventions.
What did Maya find in the book? What did Maya find in the book? Did she find a treasure map? Did she find a treasure map? No, she found a book about famous inventors and their inventions. No, she found a book about famous inventors and their inventions.
Inspired by their stories, Maya realized her own passion for innovation and problem-solving. Inspired by their stories, Maya realized her own passion for innovation and problem-solving.
What inspired Maya? What inspired Maya? Did she get inspired by watching movies? Did she get inspired by watching movies? No, she got inspired by reading about famous inventors and their inventions. No, she got inspired by reading about famous inventors and their inventions.
Determined to pursue her dreams, Maya began experimenting with simple machines and gadgets. Determined to pursue her dreams, Maya began experimenting with simple machines and gadgets.
What did Maya do to pursue her dreams? What did Maya do to pursue her dreams? Did she give up? Did she give up? No, she began experimenting with simple machines and gadgets. No, she began experimenting with simple machines and gadgets.
With perseverance and dedication, Maya invented a solar-powered water pump that helped her village access clean water. With perseverance and dedication, Maya invented a solar-powered water pump that helped her village access clean water.
What did Maya invent? What did Maya invent? Did she invent a flying car? Did she invent a flying car? No, she invented a solar-powered water pump. No, she invented a solar-powered water pump.
Her invention not only improved the lives of her fellow villagers but also caught the attention of scientists and innovators around the world. Her invention not only improved the lives of her fellow villagers but also caught the attention of scientists and innovators around the world.
What impact did Maya's invention have? What impact did Maya's invention have? Did it have no impact? Did it have no impact? No, it improved the lives of her villagers and caught the attention of scientists around the world. No, it improved the lives of her villagers and caught the attention of scientists around the world.
Maya's journey from a small village to the global stage taught her the power of determination and the importance of never giving up on her dreams. Maya's journey from a small village to the global stage taught her the power of determination and the importance of never giving up on her dreams.
What did Maya's journey teach her? What did Maya's journey teach her? Did it teach her to give up? Did it teach her to give up? No, it taught her the power of determination and never giving up on her dreams. No, it taught her the power of determination and never giving up on her dreams.
She became a source of inspiration for aspiring inventors and proved that anyone, regardless of their background, can make a positive impact on the world. She became a source of inspiration for aspiring inventors and proved that anyone, regardless of their background, can make a positive impact on the world.
What did Maya become? What did Maya become? Did she become a chef? Did she become a chef? No, she became a source of inspiration for aspiring inventors. No, she became a source of inspiration for aspiring inventors. And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple stories with questions and answers help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.